Hello, this is Matt with RV Country in Coburg. Going to do a little walk around video for you on the 2020 Sandstorm fifth wheel toy hauler that we have. It's the front cap, got lights up front there. Your 5,500 watt Onan generator. Only has 5.2 hours on it, by the way. You can put about 4,000 pounds into this. Switches for the front jacks. 2 propane tanks. Got your water heater up here. See the floors to the slide outs all look really good. Underneath, hopefully you can see that. It's got the hard type underbelly seal, which is great, durable stuff. Magnetic catches for your doors, your pass-through storage. We're right next to the freeway, so sorry if it gets a little bit loud. Tires are in great shape. Got your fuel tank, your fuel pump here. Roof access from the side ladder. Your patio with the railing kit. Electric awning, no rips. A little dirty. That can all be cleaned off, of course. Kenwood speakers outside. It has these solid steps here that were added on. So they go all the way to the ground. Finish off the other side here. It's got 2 brand new interstate batteries in it. Let's go inside. Model F326 GSLR. Dry weight right there. 928 pounds. Total length 36 feet, 7 inches. So as you walk in, you'll notice the lighted countertops. Those look pretty cool. Got some storage here. Your monitor panels here. You've got your fuel gauge, all your lighting switches. You have an electric and gas water heater, so you get a lot more hot water that way. Your max air vent controls, which is in the ceiling. It also has a rain sensor on it, so it'll close when it's raining. Great Kenwood sound system. Like I said, speakers outside, speakers inside. Slide out room control, back bed control back there. And of course your generator. Super low hours. Television. You'll sit in the couch right across from it to watch TV. You have your propane and electric refrigerator. A lot of good drawers here for silverware and such. Decent size oven for sure. Big microwave. More storage. Got your nice glass insert on the cabinetry. Got a big sink. Of course, your industrial type residential faucet. Kind of an industrial look light over the countertop. Couple recliners here. Excellent shape, by the way. This has the carpet laid out in it, but of course you can roll this up and take it out when you put your toys inside. Cabinets are good. The storage up top. Subwoofer up there as well. You have your nice hinges on the cabinets. There's all your info on the unit here. Nice roller shades, blackout shades. A couple tables you can set up. More storage. More speakers. Ceiling fan. Got your Happy Jack bed system. Again, all the furniture and everything is in excellent condition. These tables they're two tables. You can make them a little more, if you wanted to get them all set up there. You can make it a little more sturdy if you just pound down on it. But you can remove one side if you want to make like a walkway out to the patio. You've got a spot here for some extra, for a TV and such. If somebody's sleeping in the bed above, you've got 12-volt USBs. Out to the back patio, you're going to have your screen here. You can close off the screen part as well with that plastic if you don't want wind coming in and out of it, but it all zips up and keeps all the elements out. That patio, they add about another 7 feet to the overall length, usable length. This is actually a little gate part. You can remove this and have a swing out gate to get in and off on and off the patio. The ladder to go up to the top bed. Got your heating ducts. Ceiling fan control. Up here we'll go into the bathroom. Little mirror there, some under sink storage. Got a place for your soap, your toothbrushes, etc. You have a porcelain based toilet. Glass doors on your shower. Good storage here for all your linens and towels and such. Solid wood on your drawers, really nice. A couple coat hoods, etc. And this will go into the bedroom. So that's a wardrobe slide out. You've got a window here as well. Big drawer there. Coat closets, his and hers, looks like. More storage above. Reading lights. I don't know if anyone has a CPAP or anything. It seems like most people nowadays have that, but there's a spot for them. Plugs on each side, 12-volt receptacles on each side. Let's see if we got any storage underneath for you guys. Oh yeah. Storage underneath. Got a drawer you can pull out if you don't want to lift the bed up. Got your slide-out room control here, lighting, and your solar charge controller panel there to keep everything monitored. And if we go out that other door, we'll go back out to the unit. I'll give you another view from here with the bed up. Again, no scratches, no rips, no stains, no tears. Everything is in great condition. Looks like they kept it up very well, inside and out. It's definitely a coach worth checking out. I think you guys would like it. I'll give you another little swivel view here. Again, my name is Matt, RV Country Coburg. Please let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you.